Have you ever felt negative in your life? You could not stop thinking negative about a situation, a person, or a business, or your children, or maybe your spouse. And it kind of is very irritating, right? You're like, no, 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 everything is good and great, but this negative will not stop in coming in your mind. And sometimes these negative thoughts are so powerful that they stop you from doing anything. You know, you doubt yourself. You are like, is this correct? Is this not correct? Will somebody be happy? Will somebody will yell at me, and I'm not sure. Now, why does this really happen? First, of course, lack of self-confidence, that you're not confident enough. You maybe lack self-esteem. And the reason this happens is because along the way, when you were young, remember when you were young, you're all alive and fearless, right? You did whatever you wanted to do. You didn't care about people. You wanted to laugh. You wanted to cry. You wanted to, sleep on the floor, and your mom and dad would yell at you, and sometimes, you don't really care. I have two kids, a 7-year-old son and a 9-year-old daughter, and I really know when I tell him not to do something, he really does not sometimes care. He just does what he wants to do. And at that moment of time, I look at him and I say, man, this person is absolutely alive and fearless. And I try to recall my childhood. Now, what really happens? I'm sure you are recalling your childhood and how you were, and you didn't really care about what people will think and how they would respond. You just go and live life. Now, along the way, maybe during school, college, or maybe when you started working, you suddenly wanted to be accepted by people, right? And to be accepted by people, you had to fit in. Maybe in your job, maybe with your peer group, or maybe in your college, or maybe in your in-laws or your society, because you want people to love you, accept you, and that's why you started doing what they wanted you to do. Typically, when somebody says, hey, you're very sensitive, so you say, oh no, my God, I don't have to be sensitive. Why not? If you're sensitive, then you're sensitive. You need to own your own identity, your own self, who you are born to be. Some people are sensitive, some people are not. Some people are introverts, some people are extrovert. And nothing is good or bad. That's how you are. And in this particular video, my stress is on whoever you were in your childhood. Own that personality, own that person, and take that person all along with you in your entire life. And don't lose out. I can share one incident in my life when I started a corporate job, and suddenly I wanted to fit into the culture and the management, and I started walking, I started talking, I started dressing like them, started thinking like them. And people in my life literally came and told me that, Murtaza, you are not the Murtaza that we know. You're kind of very different and formal and stuff like that. I would get very irritated and pissed. And I didn't know why that was happening. But because I was losing my identity and I was trying to fit in, these negative thoughts and the self-confidence issues and the self-esteem and the frustration and the anxiety and all of those were coming in. Now, once I left that job and I got some time to think about who I am and what I want to do, and I got some personal time, I literally realized that that's true. This is not me. And I immediately started owning, respecting, and cleaning up all the influence that was on me, and just emerging who I was as I was in my childhood. Now again, I'm not saying don't be appropriate, don't understand the culture and do what needs to be done with the kind of code of conduct, but while doing that, just be you. I don't care if it's your college, or whether it's your in-laws, or whether it's your job or your business, or whether you're just with your friends or society or outside. Just realize who you are and own it, and just be you. And you will see, once you be you and you're not thinking about, oh my God, will they accept me, or will they approve of me, or how will I look? You should not care. Well, everybody has their own looks and their own ways, and why should you care what other people think? So what I want for you is take time out, really take time out and think, why are you thinking negative? Why are you so upset, stressed, frustrated? Is it because you lost your identity? Is it because you are now trying to fit in and gel in with other people? If so, then connect with the alive and fearless you. And once you do that, I promise you, you will start regaining confidence, you will start respecting yourself, and you will start loving your own self, and you will see the expression that comes out from you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have still not opted in, visit mursabadri.com and opt in for our notifications and more free resources. Thank you for watching. Stay alive, stay fearless, dream big, stay strong, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.